Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining. I welcome you to my channel. So glad you stopped by. And I have a haul here. This was a mail order that I did with the Swiss Colony and Wisconsin Cheeseman. Well, it arrived at the post office today. So I will start with this one. This is macadamia nut chocolates. That is that one. And the next one is Christmas cookies. And the next one from Swiss Colony is California nuts. And this is the box it goes in. And I'm not opening the tins. They are sealed because these are actually gifts for Christmas for about 3 people. So I don't want to open them. Holiday cookies in this tin. Wisconsin Cheeseman. And this looks like a good cheese wheel. It is garden vegetable cheese wheel. And it has to be refrigerated, so I will get that in the fridge until Christmas. And this is the last one. This is the holiday cookies, and I think I have 2 of those from Wisconsin Cheeseman. So this is all of the haul today. Just wanted to show you guys, just bring you in to show you what we have here. And I thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, giving me the thumbs up, and ringing the notification bell. I love each and every one of you. And this ends the haul from the Wisconsin Cheeseman and the Swiss Colony. Now, this was a mail order, so it was received today. So I will talk to you on the next video.